pulled up here, and instead of calling up on the box and dealing with all that, we just use the Weigh My Truck app. You put in your information, and then you get your weight ticket right here.
This place is freaking huge.
Got us checked in?
Yeah. So she said you're gonna go up, and you're gonna...
I'm doing what now?
So we're gonna go up here. So this is here, right?
So right past the office?
Right past the office, and then you're gonna come around down this here.
Okay. Take that road right there?
Yeah. By the courts we came in or whatever. And so she said that we're gonna just follow this all the way down.
Where?
We're right here, 56.
Which is, I guess that's the playground?
Yeah. And they open the pools and the splash pad. She said they usually don't open till Memorial Day, and they open them early. And then there's an app you can do too that has updated information. She handed me this. I said, "This is all mine." She said, "Yeah, that's all yours." I was like, "Holy crap."
pretty good day. Did a pretty good hike. It's called the Shelving Rock Mountain Trail. I think there's several that are part of that system, but we did the summit, which is like 1.5, I think it was actually about closer to 2 miles out and 2 miles back. All trails had its moderated is easy. Her ranked is easy. I would say it's probably between easy and moderate, for the pure fact of it had quite a bit of steeper incline portions that are heavily rocky. We still did it with kids. We did with friends of ours ranging from 2 all the way up to 10. But it's a great trail. Highly recommend. If you guys are in the area, go try it out, because you get to see a gorgeous view of Lake George from the summit. Coming back down was pretty easy, and then we walked past where we parked about another half mile or so to the waterfalls, and then we actually hiked down to the base of the waterfalls as well. So it was a pretty good day. Took the kids swimming. Now, well, I'm going out to pick up some barbecue. Kendra's staying back at the rig, prepping some veggies, and we're gonna sit around and just enjoy the night. Probably sit by a campfire tonight, probably do some s'mores with the kids, but we're gonna hang out with some friends and just kind of enjoy it.
Because that's not what it's made for.
Alright, we're at Lake George. Braden has some knowledge about Lake George for us.
The lake was originally named Andiatarake
by local Native Americans. James Fenimore Cooper, in his narrative, Last of the Mohicans, called it the Horrigan, after a tribe which may have lived there, because he felt the original name was too hard to pronounce. The first European visitor to the area, Samuel de Champlain, noted the lake in his journal on July 3rd, 1609, but did not name it. In 1646, the French-Canadian missionary Isaac Jogues, the first European to view the lake, named it Lac du Saint-Sacrement, Lake of the Holy Sacrament, and in its exit stream, La Chute, which means the fall. So on August 28, 1755, William Johnson led British colonial forces to occupy the area in the French and Indian War. He renamed the lake as Lake George for King George II. And there's more.
So that's pretty good. The Last of the Mohicans is a book as well.